Biology Review numbers 15 and 16. Number 15 says the diagram above is intended to show relationships in an ecosystem. What do the arrows represent? F, the direction of population migration. G, differences in dietary habits. H, progressively smaller organisms. J, the direction of energy flow. Anytime you see any sort of chart that's talking about relationships in an ecosystem, we're going to be talking about the feeding relationships in the ecosystem. So when you see these arrows moving up, we're talking about what eats what. And what do we get from what we eat? We get energy. So what we're saying is when this organism, type of organism goes into this type of organism, the energy goes from here to here. So arrows always represent the flow of energy. Whether it's this type of diagram or a food chain or a food web, it's showing the flow of energy through these what are called trophic levels, energy levels. Moving on to number 16. Number 16 says, energy used by producers in a grassland food web is provided by. Well, where does the energy come from that is used by our producers? Our producers are our green plants or algae. So if we're talking about a grassland, we're going to be talking probably mostly about grasses. So where do grasses get their energy that they use? Well, grass gets their energy from sunlight. Be careful. Answer choice G is photosynthesis, and that's very tempting for us to pick that question. But this is not where a plant gets its energy. Photosynthesis is the process in which a plant uses the energy to create its food. It is not being given, it's not provided energy by photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process of using the energy that we got from the sunlight to make simple sugars for the plant's growth and nutrition.